Hey guys, welcome to BestSub TV. I'm Katrina. Today I will introduce our new Sublimation travel tumbler collections, and this collection includes 4 different sizes and different cup shapes. The cup shapes is very suitable for most car holders, and you can take them anywhere you want and enjoy your journey. This is a stainless steel travel tumbler with clear flat lip. We have 2 different versions you can choose from, with handle and without handle. And there is a slide closure that prevents water from spilling. And we also available in 3 sizes: 80 ounce, 22 ounce, and 25 ounce. This one is stainless steel ultra tumbler with flat lip, and there are 2 holes on the lip. This one you can drink directly, and here's the stopper on the lip. We equip a straw with the tumbler so you can drink with the straw. The last is also 17-ounce tumbler. The lid is similar to this one, but it is stackable glass tumblers. They are made of borosilicate material and have clear and fussy sides. Except for this stackable glass tumblers, you can only print it with your sublimation oven, and the other travel tumbler you can print with your Cricut heat press, Pro Easy, Ultima press, and other tumbler heat press. And next I will show you how to print them. If you are curious about the final result, keep watching.